Okay. Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I was fixing myself. I did not know this was recording, but I'm going to leave this recording so you guys can see. But anyway, so my name is Edwin Diaz. You guys know me from the picture in the introduction video. Maybe I'll change it later. But I don't show my face very much in the courses. But I want you guys to know who I am personally and see that I'm not some high class executive on a 20th floor building with a nice office and some big sofas and nice refrigerator in the back with some nice wine and food all around. Anyway, that sounded really good. But anyway, I'm just a normal person just like you. So I like coding. I love coding. I got a Facebook page too that you can look me up. If you want the Facebook page, you can always go to the announcements. I always got the links there. Or you can look me up, Edwin Diaz, Udemy or something, or Coding Faculty. But but here's the deal. I'm gonna make some mistakes like I do in most of my courses, but I'm gonna leave those lectures on and I'm gonna fix those mistakes. We're gonna make a lot less mistakes than what we made on one of my courses, on specifically on one there. This course is an improvement of all my courses, but in Node.js. So we're gonna build a really cool CMS system in Node.js, and we're gonna build it from the bottom, from scratch. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know, and we're gonna keep learning like really cool functionalities as we go along. And then we keep fixing some little bugs, just like we do in real projects. And you're going to learn real life stuff in this course, okay? This course is more of a practical approach, and when I tell you there is a challenge, you go ahead and do the challenge, and then you compare your code with my code on the video, and that's how you can learn a lot. I suggest you write down the code with me because I know some of you are in a hurry and you skip lectures. It's a big mistake with my courses. Try not to skip lectures, okay? Because in some lectures I might fix something, and then when you jump to the next lecture, you're asking yourself, okay, where does that code come from? And I might have been fixing something on the last lecture or included something extra, because I always like to include extra things in all my lectures, okay? So that's a couple tips there for you. Let me give you another tip. Here in lecture number 2 is where we have all the files for the whole course. So we're gonna have the project template files. That's where I give you the code, the HTML for the views. And we got section 1 to 6. I gave you some reference files there, some stuff that we're doing. Section 7 to 9, here are the files. We're going to deal with database a lot here. And so this is the section here. Well, not a lot, but only a couple different lectures there. It's good for you to have those files. And then we have the project, okay? I'm going to zip, and as you can see, there's already zipped the whole project. So you're going to have the whole project. And every time I create a new feature, that file is going to get updated, or I create another file and rename it to something else, CMS with pagination feature or something like that, okay? But if it doesn't say it, then everything is there. And if it's not there, let me know. Now, I want to give you a tip for those of you that want to learn this fast. There is no such thing as a magic pill for you to learn coding, or let's say in this case Node.js super fast, right? But there is a couple tricks, all right? You cannot learn it overnight. But the trick, one of my best tricks, is to pay attention. Turn off your phones. Close the windows. Close the blinds. Tell people not to knock on your door. Pay attention to every lecture, one by one, and you will finish the course. It's going to take you a little bit, but you're going to finish it. And every lecture builds on top of the lecture before that one, right? So don't skip it, okay? Write down your goals. Make sure that, let's say, for example, you are a type of person that can do only 2 lectures a day because you don't have time. Go ahead and do 2 lectures a day. Don't frustrate yourself because you can't do more. Okay? Frustration is not going to help you. So write down how many lectures you can do, and the best way to know how many lectures you can do daily is by trying out the course the first day, right? And you say, okay, Monday I can do around 5 to 6 lectures, right? And you write down your goals and say, I'm going to do this. And you try to do it. If you can't do it, don't worry. You do it next day. But always have your goals in place so that way you can finish the course. Because if you don't have goals, this course can take you a year to finish. You can go and do something else and then come back and then finish it, and it just doesn't work. Try to finish this course first before you do anything else. And I know it's hard to find time, but you can if you write down your goals, okay? So guys, I'm really excited. I want to thank you for joining me. For those of you that come from other courses, thank you for joining me here. I hope you like it. If you have any issues, if you see any problems, let me know before you post it in the discussion. It helps me keep things clear. If you have some type of frustration and you want to take it out and put it on the class, don't do that. Send it to me, okay? I'm everywhere. Edwin@edwindiaz.com. You can private message me. You can go to my website and send me an email, whatever. But just don't clutter the classrooms with hate comments or frustrations, okay? Take it out on me and I can solve them for you, or I can help you do that. I want to thank you again for joining me in this course. I appreciate your time and your funds if you pay for this course. Again, let's do this. Let's have some fun. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's make this one bigger than the one before and better. See you in the next lectures. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.